I've been going around the world and I've been looking for revival, cause what I see, it's critical for all of our survival. People turning on each other, lovers put on the shelf in exchange for some hate and some greed to get wealth. The world's become a crazy place, it's everyone for themselves. So go and grab all you can get, because it's gonna run out. We've been fed that lie so long, now we believe without doubt. Seems it's coming to a close before we figure it out. How many years will we live this way? We just sit back and hope one day that all our cares will go away and everything will be okay. Without change, we can't have satisfaction. Don't tell me to relax when you won't go take any action. But even with these problems, I'm the eternal optimist. I keep on pushing forward when it hurts, and when I'm sick of it, I sit and then I think of it. Get up again and recommit to be a part of something that could bring about some benefit. Gotta bring change from the inside out. Gotta stand up, lift our voice and shout. Gotta turn it around. From the streets of the cities to the government games, from the homeless in the shelters to the buildings in flames, we gotta turn it around. We gotta turn it around. From the presence filled with people, money running the game, to the orphans around the world who need a family name, we gotta turn it around. From the women on the streets who are looking for love, to the junkies who are trapped trying to give up the drug, we gotta turn it around. We gotta turn it around. Have you ever looked outside and didn't like what you see? Or am I the only one who sees the things we could be? If we would make more of an effort, then I think you'd agree that we could make the world a better place, a place that is free. Life is really what you make of it. You gotta give and take a bit. Someone's always up and someone's always in a pit. Someone has too much and someone dreams of more, and someone's wondering why they didn't see this all before. And every now and then someone comes to try to take me down, but I keep moving forward, try again and rise it from the ground. And if I have to, man, I'll even go another time around until I finally